Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we have a very special guest, and he is Mohammad Nurul Amin, a thinker, writer, and a veteran journalist. He is now currently serving as the managing director of Daily Sangram, Bangladesh, one of the largest dailies in Bangladesh. Nurul Amin Saab, welcome to Karachi, the capital of Sindh. Hopefully you are enjoying your time here. Just tell us something about your memories about Karachi. You have also visited in the past, and now today you are also here. The kind of difference you have felt, and just share some memories with us.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Brother, I am very happy to be here in Karachi. The last time I visited Karachi, it was in 1971 when there was United Pakistan. And during the last 56 years, I did not have the opportunity to come here. I am very happy and feel homely to be in Pakistan, and I have come here to see how Pakistan is running and also invite our brothers to visit Bangladesh and have cordial relationship again.
And Brother Nurul Amin, yes, it's so heartening to see you as well here. Just tell us what kind of difference have you so far felt between the 1971 Karachi and nowadays Karachi?
You see, in 1971, when I came here, it was a great city in the context that it was capital of Pakistan, and in 1959 the capital was shifted from Karachi to Rawalpindi. And at that time, you see, it was not so populous as it is today.
And how about the traffic jams and the volume of traffic? And can you compare it with Dhaka now?
Yeah, I think the volume of traffic is very big here as well as in Dhaka. There is, because of population, because of the affluence of the people. People are having cars.
Yes.
Sometimes they do not like to walk. During 1971 and earlier, we had the habit of walking.
It is.
But now
everybody needs car transport.
Yes.
So it has, automatically increased the environment-related problems and other stuff.
Yeah. Other than cars, you see, motor cars, we have rickshaws. You see, motorbikes.
How about Karachi's food?
Fine, very fine. I don't find any difference.
Okay.
Because we are part of Pakistan for 24 years. And we are the same people, having same habits. Apart from, you see, two countries now, we have the same religion.
Indeed.
We are Muslims, and we eat halal foods. And if now I go to any Muslim country, we don't have any anxiety about food, halal or haram. But if we go to Western countries, it's a factor.
Just before we come to the the prospects of improving Pakistan-Bangladesh relation, just tell us about the journalism in Bangladesh. What is the condition, the press freedom condition there, and the circulation of newspapers, especially the condition of print media there? How would you describe this whole situation?
It's a very good question. So far as press freedom is concerned, I think press is free now.
Okay.
Compared to earlier years. It's free, you can write freely, but you have some responsibility. We just stress upon responsible, you see, journalism. Journalism has has itself its own ethics, and we try to follow those ethics. And so far as the circulation of the print media, say, spreadsheets are concerned, you see, currently, not only in Bangladesh, around the globe, the habit of reading papers has been decreased,
It's declining. Yes. it is.
declined, and Bangladesh is not an exception. It has no, it is there. The readership has decreased, and maybe it will further decrease because people, because of their, you see, habit, people prefer, you see,
Digital
online
media. Yes.
online newspapers, and then they have YouTubes, they have Facebook, social media.
So, what do you foresee the future of print media in Bangladesh, or do you see any serious efforts on the part of government or the publication owners to, not to, I would say, to fully revive, but to at least, to make it in a way that whereby it can survive?
It is very important because reading is one of the way to learn knowledge. It is, I think, the basis of knowledge is reading. And the way we are going on now, because of technological developments, technological changes, maybe one day we will have to come back to reading framework
Mhm.
today or tomorrow, and till then we will have to find out some more realistic methods. You see, the learning has, we learn through reading, we learn through listening, we learn through, you see, seeing, observing, and the methods of learning, reading will continue to be a method of learning. We can't.
So, the government is doing anything?
At the moment, it's very. I don't think that the government have any idea about this,
All right. So,
and
it's
they don't. Particularly, the information ministry is the domain of the information ministry, and also the domain of education ministry. And it would be better if they take cognizance of it and try to do something in
all
this.
right. All right. So, Nurul Amin Saab, let's come back to some diplomatic and political issues. Just tell us very briefly to our audience that what is the difference between the kind of relations between Pakistan and Bangladesh diplomatically and in terms of people to people before the before Hasina Wajid government and after Hasina Wajid government?
It was unfortunate that during Hasina government, the relationship between Pakistan and Bangladesh was not so easy. Maybe because of the influence of other, you see, neighboring country, we could
Yes.
not come closer to each other. After the fall of Hasina government, it has now become easier, and it is now very easy to have people-to-people connection, people-to-people, businessman-to-businessman connection, and also the general masses can have contacts, exchanges of their views, exchanges of their ideas, and it was a good venture on the part of Pakistan that recently they have awarded 500 stipends to Bangladeshi students.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
And what do you think that can I, if I apply for the Bangladesh visa, that will be easier for me to get the visa right now?
Inshallah, it will be easy.
How? What should I do now? What is the process? Simple. Just to apply?
Apply and then the purpose.
Indeed. All right.
Yeah.
So there will be no kind of that restrictions which we had been facing previously there.
No.
So what do you suggest? In which areas Pakistan and Bangladeshi experts should collaborate?
I think there are many areas like education,
Okay.
like you see in the field of agriculture,
Okay.
in the field of health and medical sciences, in the field of businesses. You see, the Pakistani businessmen and industrialists can invest in Bangladesh. There are some good areas where they can invest and they can repatriate the profit to Pakistan. And also, there are some, you see, in terms of taxes, there are some remissions Pakistani investors can have.
What about
The tax holiday is there.
All right. What about the textile sector?
Yes, it's a good area where Pakistan and Bangladesh can have,
They can collaborate.
yes, collaborate.
All right.
And also the textile products.
Hmm.
Pakistani textile products have a great market in Bangladesh.
All right.
Formerly, India was there. So far as machineries are concerned, Pakistani machineries are preferred by Bangladeshi businessmen.
All right. So in the last, what will be your message from Bangladesh for Pakistanis?
We are brothers and we want brotherly relations. Our relationship should be close and close in future.
Inshallah. So, Brother Nurul Amin, thank you so much. And viewers, that's all we have from the studio right now. And have a good stay in Pakistan and good and a safe journey back home. Thank you very much.
Thank
Brother
you
Nurul
very
Amin.
much, also.
So, viewers, he was Mohammad Nurul Amin, and he was explaining the current scenario of diplomatic and political relations between Pakistan and Bangladesh, as well as his nice stay in Pakistan. How did he enjoy food here? How did he enjoy meetings here? So it was a wonderful discussion with him, and we will bring some these kinds of discussion to you again and again in the future. So please subscribe our channel Jasarat Digital, and we will bring more exciting and good conversations like this to you in future. Thank you very much.